What's happening, everybody? Hopefully everybody had a green day today or learned something new today. That's definitely what I thrive for on this channel, is I'm always pushing myself to learn something. I want this video to be how you can make money consistently every single day. I'm going to show you a long pattern that I'm seeing every single day in the stock market. Now, this is mostly on penny stocks, but you can definitely use this strategy on large cap, mid cap, whatever you want to use it on. But I've been showing my last two videos, and this pops up every single day. If you're a patient trader and you love making money, which I do, which you do, just give this pattern a shot. Just try it one time. If it don't work, you know what? Don't try it again. But I'm going to show you this pattern. I showed it on my last video, and I'll definitely show it again. So here's the pattern. Now this is to the long side. This isn't to the short side. I can show you on the short side, but this is to the long side. I know a lot of people are long bias traders, so the pattern is right here. So this morning, ATHE, huge volume up, green. There's a pullback. So here's your first red candle, right? Wait for that second red candle. Your entry, get as close to you can to the bottom of this red candle as possible. Now this is a scalp move, so you're getting, depending on how big the size is, like this is, you're going to get 10, 15 cents. But over here, you're getting 50 cents. Over here, you're getting damn near $1. So it all depends on how big the stock is and how much range it has. But I want to show you guys this pattern. So green, red. Your entry is as close as you can get to this red candle. So the low of this red candle is 202. So tomorrow morning, just wake up. When you see a pullback, you want to see two red candles. You don't want to see one red candle. You want to see two red candles. On that second red candle, draw a line. Okay, 202. Where does this stock low? 202. That's why I'm saying you want to get as close to this as possible. So when you get into this trade, when this candle opened up, let's see, 213. So you have to wait a little bit. Remember, these are 20-day, 1-hour candlesticks. So when this price starts coming down, 205, 203, whatever you want to get into, you can definitely get in at whatever price you want. But just remember, you're only looking for a little pop up. So as close as you get to this, the better you are. So your entries here, so saying something like this, 202, and the high is 218. So say you would have got in at 202, you would have sold, let's just say you would have top ticked it at 218. You would have made 16 cents. So on 1,000 shares, that's 160 bucks. So this is the setup. Now look at this. Right here, next setup. Here's a huge sell-off again. Mark your bottom, 186. Next candle opens. It's the same pattern repeating itself every day. So I'll just highlight the pattern so you can visually see what I see every day. So there it is. And then here it is. Okay, that was ATHE. Now look at this. MEDS. Totally different stock, but it's the same pattern. Let me highlight the pattern. Right there. So huge green candle up, one red candle, two red candles. What's the low of this? 704. Let me switch this because I always do it. Let me zoom in a little bit. So 704. Whatever, 703. So the low of this was 696. So this broke a little bit. It's how much risk you want, but it's the same pattern setup. So say you're to buy this, let's just say you're to buy at 710. you're looking for 20-30 cents. Remember, this is a scalp trade. This isn't a hope and hold. This is a scalp. You're just scalping it for whatever, 20-30 cents on 1,000 shares, couple $100. That's all you're trying to do. Get a couple $100 out of this trade. So this right here, now look at this. Green, red, red. Big green, a huge pullback, and this third candle. It's the same pattern. It's the same pattern. Okay? I showed this yesterday, BLIN. It's the same pattern. Huge spike up. One candle, two candle. Right there. Green candle. I cannot make this up. Literally, I'm trying to show you guys how to make money every single day using the 20-day, 1-hour candlesticks. This is unlike anything you've ever seen before. And I'm always studying. Always. So yeah. I mean, you could definitely wait for the pullback. You know, it's going to have a bounce. That's my whole objective. As these patterns are getting massive volume and they're getting bought up. So it's definitely more long biased than it is short biased. So if you like making $500 a day, you literally got to wait 1, 2, 3 hours. 1, 2, 3 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4 hours. So in 4 hours, if you can make a couple $100, I mean, you're paying yourself $50 to $100 an hour. It's just the patience. But yeah, I had to throw this video out there. If you made it this far, I'm going to be live tomorrow, day trading with you guys, looking for these same setups. Trust me, if I see anything like I'm seeing now, I'm definitely buying the dip. I'm buying the dip. You're going to see me do this real time. I mean, look at over here. It's the same setup. Huge grandle, huge green, red, red. I mean, it's just, if you want the confirmation, wait for this to close green, then buy. I mean, I'm just telling you, this is more long biased than it is short biased. So, I have to throw this video out. If you love making money, just try my method one time. If it doesn't work for you, don't try it again. But I'll be live tomorrow. But I'm seeing what I'm highlighting here is I highlighted this pattern yesterday in my video. It's the same pattern. It's the same pattern. And what is my YouTube? Patterns, 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 patterns. So please, please, please give this a try. If you're a long bias trader, if you're a short bias trader, if you like making money and you're patient, this is a pattern that will pay off. It's not going to be the huge home run, but it's consistently every single day. And I've showed you for the last 3 days, I've showed you this exact same pattern. So I hope it sticks with you. I really do. I really want to see somebody make money off this and be like, hey, you know what? This guy is right. He's been showing me for 3 days the patterns here. But yeah, I don't want to keep blabbling on, but give it a try. Let me know in the comments below how it worked for you. I'll always keep you up to date. My channel's patterns, patterns, patterns. That's all I trade is patterns. So, yeah. So until next time, traders, peace.